What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to talk about the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited JL. Now I know what you guys are thinking, it's Christmas time, right? So the Jeep should not be naked, but we have the Jeep naked. It is time to show off all those fun Christmas lights, and we've actually got 13 strings of 100 lights on each one, and we intertwine the red and green. And I tell you what, this thing is so much fun to go to shows and Christmas parties and things like that. It's obviously a little bit cold when you Jeep naked, but it is so much fun. Use zip ties around all of it to get it on, and then some of the parts where you can't zip tie, we obviously taped it, but this is very, very temporary. This is maybe 10 days. So it's a fun thing to do during the holidays, and all the kids love it. We actually get a lot of compliments on this, so we will do a different video on this. But my channel is mainly Corvettes, but we have a great Jeep, so now I'm going to start adding Jeep content to the channel. So we've got our wreath right here, right around the tire, with a beautiful cross at the bottom, and we've actually got the DC to AC converter here. So like I said before, we've got 13 strands, 1300 lights, and this thing is a showstopper. So I can't wait to show you guys here in a second what it looks like at night, but I wanted to show you guys kind of the setup and how it looks during the nighttime, during the daytime. But man, this thing is a lot of fun, and I think everybody ought to make their Jeep Christmas ready and get in the holiday spirit. So just wanted to walk around, show you guys. If you're new to the channel, thank you guys for clicking play, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for watching the videos and supporting the channel. So now let's see what it looks like at night.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something. This thing that we got grew stronger each day. We're together all the way on.